Good morning guys, it is Vlogmas day number 4. It is Sunday morning. I have slept in, it's actually, what's the time? It's 9:29, which is pretty late for me. I was awake early, but I just have been so tired. I didn't get to bed last night until after 1 o'clock. It was actually a really great night. I wish I could have vlogged because I feel like I don't vlog enough with other people, and I think vlogging with other people is so much more enjoyable for a watcher because you can kind of see the person bounce off other people. And I don't know, I just always feel bad about the fact that it's usually just me in my vlogs. Sometimes I get some other people in them, but a lot of the time there's no one in my life that wants to be on camera, so you guys just have to put up with me. But anyway, it was a great night. It was great to catch up with old friends, but getting to bed late, especially after having like so many late nights during the week and being super tired this morning, I was just like, I'm not getting out of bed. And my phone was going off. I was in like a group chat and I kept on hearing the messages. I'm like, no, I just want to sleep, leave me alone. So I'm staying in my pajamas right now because it's Sunday morning, and why not? I've got my Honeycrisp apple candle and I have got my computer on my lap because I'm going to start editing yesterday's vlog. Usually I would have it done by now, but obviously I went out last night and at the time I got home there was no way I was editing. I'm also being really bad right now. I was hungry, and usually that would mean like going downstairs and getting food and whatnot, but I'm feeling like the super lazy, and there was chips still here from yesterday, so I've had a couple of chips for breakfast. So bad. But yet at the same time I think it's Sunday and I don't care, and I'll go down and get proper breakfast later. But for now I need to edit this. I was just sitting here munching on a chip and thinking that could be a good Vlogmas question of the day. Something a little bit different. We'll move away from Christmas for a second. What is the naughtiest thing you have eaten for breakfast? Like having chips for breakfast, or ice cream for breakfast, or pizza for breakfast. I admit I've had cold pizza for breakfast numerous times in my life. I'm not embarrassed to say that because I feel like sometimes in life you just gotta eat what you want to eat, and sometimes you crave chocolate cake for breakfast. It happens. It's balance. You've just got to balance it out. Don't eat chocolate cake for breakfast every morning. Have you got a story or a time where you've eaten something bad for breakfast, or you've been lazy like me and you've had something in your room and you're just like, I'm just going to eat that because I can't be bothered to walk to the kitchen? Share with me your stories. I want to know. It'll make me feel better about the fact that I'm sitting here eating chips. I'm finally up and moving. It is now like 12 o'clock and I have not moved from that position, but the vlog is edited and it's almost finished exporting, so then I'm going to set it to upload. The problem with daily vlogging is that if you don't edit sort of at night after the vlog ends, then you basically have to edit the next day, but you're supposed to be vlogging the next day, and it's really boring to vlog somebody editing. So I totally understand why like certain daily vloggers have people who edit their videos for them, because you can't create content for a vlog if you're sitting there editing the previous day's vlogs. It's very trippy, but anyway, it's done. It's Sunday. I really didn't have much to do today. It's probably going to be quite an uneventful vlog, but that's okay. I'm going to get dressed now and maybe go make something for lunch and then work out what I'm going to do with the rest of my Sunday afternoon. Actually, you know what? I'm kind of been tidying up a little bit, and I want to do the NYX Vlogmas calendar now, just because I want to see what's the next day. I'm very curious. We're looking for day 4. I swear I struggle so much with this. I can find every other number bar the number I want. Oh, there it is there. Okay, what are you? What are you? It's gonna be like another eyeshadow of some sort. Another product. They're really hard to get out. Oh, look at that. Isn't that a stunning brown color? I don't think they've got shade names on it. Oh, is that what the shade is? Is it Milan? Is that possible? I never noticed that before. But really nice matte brown shade. This is a really cool gift if you have like a makeup lover in your life. Like this, NYX products are great quality, and I mean, you're getting a decent amount of product there. Okay, yay, I've done that now. I can continue on with my day. Ta-da! I'm just having some cereal for lunch because, well, I skipped breakfast, so why not? And I've got my iconic order packaged up, ready to take to the post. I'll probably just take it in with me to work tomorrow and post it that way, because it's easier if you actually take it to a post office, because they print a little receipt in case it goes missing. And since there's a fair bit in there, I want to make sure I've got proof that I sent it back so I get my refund. But I keep on scrolling through Facebook and Instagram, and because it's the first weekend in December, so many people have gone to like the Christmas tree farms to get Christmas trees, and I really want to go, but it's so hot outside, so I'm thinking maybe I should hop in the pool instead. I don't know why I bothered getting dressed then, but we'll see. I'll eat food first and then I'll decide. Hey Sika, you come to join me to go for a swim, huh? Can I go for a swim? Yeah, I don't think you'd like it very much. So in the end, pool definitely won out, and I think it was a good choice. The water's actually really nice. It's a little bit overcast right now, but the actual temperature is about 32 degrees, so it's pretty warm. Not super hot, but definitely warm enough for the pool. It's not hair washing day. Does anybody else do that? I'm just so lazy that the last thing I want to do is just add another day to washing my hair just so I could like go in the pool, since I already wash it every other day. So keeping my head above water. After all these years of Vlogmas and after so many people reminding me, I still haven't got around to getting a waterproof phone case, but I figure I'll upgrade my phone next year and it'll be the iPhone 7S or whatever they decide to call it. And given that the 7 is waterproof, the 7S will likely be waterproof as well, and then it won't matter. And so far, touch wood, I haven't dropped full. So far, touch wood is what I was trying to say. I haven't dropped it yet, although I'm probably tempting fate by saying that. Hi. Hi. Someone's getting a little bit more bold and adventurous, but she won't get anywhere near the water. I think that's about as close as she gets. You're not a fan of the water, are you, Sika? No, I get it. You're a cat. You're all furry. Fur probably doesn't go well in the water. I understand. You're just so cute. She thought I was gonna splash her. Vlogmas day 3 is finally up and public now. It always takes so much longer when I upload at home or when I have to upload overnight because the internet here is just so slow, but I'm going to sit and try and reply to some of the comments on the first few Vlogmas videos because I don't get a ton of time to do that. I sometimes, like after Vlogmas is over, go back and go through them. I read them all, but I like to try and reply to at least some when I can. And I also just want to say a big thank you. I've been going through all your tweets and I just really appreciate all the positive feedback and all the retweeting and the fact that you're excited and that you're liking the videos and sharing. I really appreciate it so much. So thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm glad you're enjoying Vlogmas. I always feel a little bit of pressure at the start because I get so many comments now about people being excited about my Vlogmas, and while I appreciate them so much, it also makes me think, crap, I don't know what I'm gonna do. My life is so uninteresting. What am I gonna vlog about? But it usually turns out in the end, and I appreciate your support just the same. It really does mean a lot to me. I'm so glad that I asked the question about where you guys are all from, because some of us are so close and some of us are so spread out, but I love that we can all connect. Look, we've got Finland, we've got Vienna, we've got Cairns, Melbourne, Sydney. It's so awesome. US, Canada, New Zealand, New South Wales again, Melbourne, Ireland. Like, it's just so cool to see. Italy, wow. Thank you guys so much for commenting. Keep them coming in. I love hearing about you guys and where you're from and what you're doing, and sharing a little bit of Christmas cheer together. And gosh, Bulgaria. All these places that I've never even been to, but I would love to go to at some point. We just had chicken and salad on wraps, which was delicious, but I'm feeling a little bit like stir crazy because I haven't been out of the house. So I want to go on a little adventure. I do have to wait until it gets dark, but so I want to do the Vlogmas calendar now so I can eat the chocolate. It's pretty much why I want to do it now. We are at day 4, which is, why do I struggle so much? 4 is down here. I'm gonna guess that it's the vanilla filling because we're still testing the theory that it alternates each day, but I could be wrong. Let's see what joke we have. Oh, it's a motorbike. That's cool. And it says, have you decorated your tree? Oh, it's a question. I've already asked you guys that, and yes, I've decorated my tree. And yes, it's vanilla filling. So I'm guessing that we might just be alternating day to day. Probably not great for the whole guessing game kind of thing, but that's okay. It tastes really good. I'll see you guys when it's dark. So the reason that we had to wait till it's dark, I'm guessing some of you would have guessed at this point, but it's because we're seeing some Christmas lights. And I'm happy to be able to give you your daily dose of Christmas. It looks like there's actually a few houses around here that are done up, so we might get to see actually a few different houses. Yay! Oh my gosh, look at the dinosaur. That is awesome. I can see more up there. Look, there's even an ice cream truck. I love Christmas lights. I love them. How can you not be happy when you look at that? I think this is the one I've actually come to see. It's just all lights. There's no spare space. It's completely covered. I want to live here. This is amazing. Wow. I think it was worth the trip. Well, that was fun. We got to see some Christmas lights and I got some treats. I'm really excited to eat my chocolate crackle. I haven't had one of these since I was a kid. And I think that's going to be it for today. So I'll see you all for Vlogmas Day 5 tomorrow. Bye! So good. I love it. The dinosaur has its own Facebook page. Roxy the dinosaur.